Oh, jump in the lights. What a dick. Another one, jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Illegal right turn and a whole lot of jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Hope you get me a bus, you pair of idiots. Oh, another one, jump in the lights. Another one, jump in the lights. Oh, wrong way, and on the pavement. What a dick. Jump in the lights. Another one cycling on the pavement. There's one on the pavement there. And no real light either. Look at that, jump the lights right out in front of the bus. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Bloody idiot. There's one on the pavement there. Nice cycle lane here, mate. Right on the pole as well. And there's a dickhead going the wrong way up a one-way street. Fucking retard. And there's one cycling on the pavement. There's one cycling on the pavement. And there's another dickhead cycling on the pavement. Oh, jump in the lights. Hope you get hit by a bus, you hipster cunt. Another one, and another one. Three of the twats jump in the lights. There's a dickhead cycling on the pavement. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Twats! Dickhead. Hell. Fucking idiots. Oh, he's jumped the lights. Twats. Oh, jump in the lights. Twats. Fucking dickhead. Fucking dickhead. And there's another one cycling on the pavement. Bloody hell, what a wanker. Fucking idiot. Look at this idiot on the pavement here. Nice big road, he'd rather ride on the pavement no matter how much trouble it causes.
I think it overhangs.
Yes, that one branch.
Red light at the front and the back, that's an unusual one.